Hey guys, so I'm back with another video, and in today's video I am going to be doing an unboxing of this Coach bag that I recently received for my birthday. So once again, thank you mommy so much for buying me this bag, and I absolutely love it. So I had this bag for, yeah, it's been a month now, and I haven't carried it. I wanted to do an unboxing for you all. Of course I did open it, but I really didn't just enjoy the bag because I just quickly opened it and I said, let me save this for an unboxing. So here we go. Excuse the box if it's a little dented, but this is the box. Yes, it is a little it's just dented up a little bit because I did get this box when we did go on the cruise for my birthday, so of course I had to put it in my luggage. So that's it, but I'm not gonna keep the box anyways. But this is the box that it came in, so we're gonna pull the ribbon off and unbox it now. Here's the ribbon. Let's get into unboxing it. It is wrapped and packaged super nicely. Yes, let's get into her. And like I said, I did open it, so. Ooh. So here's the bag. Let's get into her. She is gorgeous. I absolutely love it. Like I said, I've been wanting this bag forever, and I finally got it. This is the studio shoulder bag with quilting, and of course in the bag it just comes with a card and it says thank you for shopping at Coach. And then she got me a little card and says happy 30th birthday, I love you, love mama, I love you too. So yes, it has a shoulder strap, and ooh, I can also take the shoulder strap off and I can just carry it as a, I guess it would be just like a large clutch. So I can just take that off and just carry it as a clutch if I want to. So that's super cute. And then of course the strap is adjustable. So right now I'm just gonna leave the strap off and I'm gonna show you all the rest of the bag. So let's get into it. Oh, in the box, of course, it comes with a bag as well to hold the purse. So we're gonna get into the rest of the purse now. Yeah, so when I first opened it, I don't think I opened anything on it. It has this on the side, and then it has the Coach. Uh-oh, sorry. Then it has the Coach tag. So we're gonna open her up, and it just pops open. Let's see if I can get it. Okay, there it is. It just pops open. Here is the inside. Ooh, it's super spacious already. So it has 2 compartments. And when I say this purse is packaged really, really good, it's packaged really, really good. All right, look at all of this. It has, oh. So technically it kind of has like 3 compartments. I'll show you all. So we have this first compartment here, you know, which can hold, you know, super light stuff. This will be, you know, for your bigger items if I need to put my camera, my phone. And then it also has a part like all the way back here. So if I need to hide something, I can hide it all the way back here because, you know, you go out, they're just going to be looking in this main part. Nobody's really going to pay attention to this. So I like that. This is super, super cute. And it's off-white. It's not white, so I feel like I can just wear this all year around wherever I want, whenever I want to. I can dress this up, dress this down, and just have a really, really good time carrying this bag. I love it, y'all. Y'all know how I feel about my Coach bags. Coach is coming back. Coach is back. I know back in the day, like, I had a lot of Coach bags, and then they kind of like, to me, it kind of like fell off for a little bit. But recently, in the recent years, baby, Coach, they're doing their thing. So This is cute. And I believe she probably got this off the regular Coach site. I know I've done some unboxing before, and I got those from the Coach outlet. But I noticed that the regular Coach store and the Coach outlet, they sell different things. I don't know if it's at different times or how it goes, but I believe this is probably just from the regular Coach store. But again, let's get into it. So that's the end of this video. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing with you all and just show you all my new baby. So if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe, share this video with your family and friends. Comment down below if you purchased any Coach bag recently, and you know, tell me what you like so I can go check it out. And again, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I'll see you all the next time. Bye.